Hey, how are you? My name is Jonathan. I am with Drainable Plastering, and today we're at beautiful Gilbertsville, PA. Every time I drive by a project that we completed, whether it's a season ago, 7 seasons ago, I like to stop by and take a look to see how our work is performing. This particular project, we finished it last season, and I also actually have a couple of videos about the windows that they had, which they were causing a lot of issues. They were replacement windows installed by the Orange store, but those are not the right windows for an stucco cladding. So we end up replacing those windows, and we also end up replacing pretty much a bunch of plywood here because of all of the damages. We end up replacing 2x4s, and yeah, we did some repairs here. So I wanted to show you because I did make a walkthrough of the interior once the windows were installed, just so you see what kind of work we offer to our customers. But I wasn't able to actually record the exterior part because that day it was dark. Right now you can tell it's a beautiful sunny day here in Philadelphia, Gilbertsville. So yeah, I want you to see all of the details, the texture, matching texture. Originally the front of the house is painted, but we just went with the white cement, and it matched perfectly. Okay, we did install back there a blocking for the meter. Same thing with that piece over there for the AC. So you can tell, even though this chimney is made out of cinder block, we did install a Kika flash inverter because that over there, it also had an issue. Originally it didn't have it. You can tell over there how we have the expansion joint. We also have an expansion joint on the second floor. That's just to make sure that the wall is going to move. If it's going to move, we're giving the chance to expand and contract. You can tell that the windows are properly sealed. We do have silicone all around, and we also have a proper drip cap over each window. This window right there, it had a particular issue. Not issue, but we custom bent a piece of metal that is going to work same thing as a drip cap, but for that kind of bay window. So yeah, we always, every time we do, you can also tell over there, we do have a blocking for the light and the proper installation of the drip cap over the window. So yeah, we pretty much, every time we do an stucco remediation, we make sure that no issues will happen again. We try to waterproof as much as we can, and we make sure that your house is going to look beautiful. I'm not going to post on either video or photo of how it looked when I came here. All of the lamination throughout the entire wall. We end up painting the top in blue just to match with the HOA. And yeah, the customer is happy, was happy actually. This house was sold. After we finished it, it was put on the market, and then it was sold a week later. So yeah, it was pretty much a good deal for everybody. It was a good deal for me as a contractor because I get hired. It was a good deal for the customer who hired me because they were able to sell their house right away. And it was a good deal for whoever bought this property, because I'm 100% positive that I did deliver something, and a stucco system that is going to last for them, and their investment is well invested. Okay, so yeah, this has been Jonathan with Drainable Plastering. If you have any stucco issues, any stone issues, any siding issues, feel free to call us to 610-656-2461 or log on to our website www.muñozplastering.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.